Most students study wrong for math tests, and here's why. In my experience, students study for math tests in a couple different ways. The first way that they study is they open the notes that they've taken from class. They'll look back on practice problems or homework that they've done, and they'll read through it and they say, yep, that makes sense, I understand it, I'm ready for the test. They then go to the test and they totally bomb it. The reason for this is because by reading notes or looking back on problems that they've done in the past, this is recognition. This is a DOK, or depth of knowledge, 1 activity. This is a passive activity. You're reading through and you're saying, this makes sense. Instead of doing this, what I recommend is a couple different things. As you're going through the unit and you're doing practice problems and then homework, always do homework with a highlighter. As you're doing homework, let's say for example, you get to a problem and you get it wrong the first time. You look at the answer key and it's not correct. You're gonna take your highlighter and then you're gonna highlight that problem. So let's say that's number 2. You understand what you did wrong, you go back, you fix it, you turn in the assignment. If the assignment has more than 1 problems that you've missed, these are really good study material. So for example, as I'm studying for the test, I'm gonna pull up all of the homeworks that I've done in the past. I'm gonna look at those homework and I'm gonna say, oh, on this homework, I missed 4 different questions because I see the highlight. I'm then going to go back and do these homework problems again. Not by looking at what I've already done, but saying, okay, number 14, I missed. I'm gonna write that down on a different piece of paper and I'm gonna try it again. Because at one point in time, you did not understand this concept. So then go and practice it. Even if you get that problem wrong again, make sure to go back to the answer key, understand what you did wrong, and then fix it. That's where reflection and growth and learning take place, is in that productive struggle. I struggled, I missed it, I now understand it. Go to the next problem that you'd missed on a homework and do that again. So when you're studying for a test, you may want to go back and you may have to do 50 different problems. If you missed a lot the first time, that's okay, because that is an active process. There's reflection and there's learning that takes place in that process.